Every car owner knows about the importance of regular oil changes, right? It's drilled into us from the moment we get our first set of keys. But what if I told you that focusing solely on oil changes is like only brushing half your teeth? There's a whole world of essential fluid flushes happening under the hood that many drivers overlook, and skipping them could be costing you a lot more than you think in the long run. Neglecting these vital fluids allows them to degrade, accumulate contaminants, and lose their effectiveness. This isn't just about minor inconveniences. It directly leads to accelerated wear and tear on expensive components, reduced vehicle performance, and ultimately, significantly higher repair bills down the line. We're talking about preventing catastrophic failures, not just minor hiccups. Let's start with your transmission fluid. This isn't just lubricant, it's the lifeblood of your gearbox, enabling smooth shifts and dissipating heat. Over time, it breaks down, collects metallic particles from normal wear, and loses its lubricating properties. A proper transmission fluid flush removes all the old, dirty fluid and replaces it with fresh, clean fluid, ensuring your transmission operates efficiently and extends its lifespan considerably. Next up is your cooling system. Your engine generates immense heat, and coolant is responsible for keeping it within optimal operating temperatures. Over time, coolant can become acidic, lose its anti-corrosion properties, and even form deposits that clog your radiator and heater core. A coolant flush removes these harmful contaminants and introduces fresh fluid, protecting your engine from overheating and costly damage. Perhaps one of the most critical, yet often forgotten, is brake fluid. This hydraulic fluid transmits the force from your brake pedal to the calipers, stopping your car. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air, which lowers its boiling point and can lead to a spongy pedal feel or even complete brake failure under heavy use. A brake fluid flush ensures maximum stopping power and safety. Your power steering system also relies on a dedicated fluid. This fluid assists in making steering effortless. Over time, it can become contaminated with rubber and metal particles from the pump and hoses, leading to increased steering effort, noise, and eventual power steering pump failure. A power steering fluid flush maintains smooth, responsive steering and protects expensive components. For those with all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive vehicles, differential fluid and transfer case fluid flushes are absolutely essential. These specialized lubricants protect the gears within these critical driveline components. They operate under immense pressure and heat, and like other fluids, they degrade and collect metal particles. Fresh fluid ensures the smooth operation and longevity of your vehicle's drivetrain. You might be thinking, can I just top off the fluid? While topping off might temporarily raise the fluid level, it doesn't address the core problem, the degradation and contamination of the old fluid. A flush completely removes the old, ineffective fluid and replaces it with new, clean fluid, restoring the system to its optimal condition and providing genuine protection. The science behind fluid degradation is straightforward. Heat, friction, moisture intrusion, and oxidation are constant enemies. These factors cause fluids to break down at a molecular level, losing their viscosity, lubricating qualities, and protective additives. Once these vital properties are compromised, the fluid can no longer perform its job effectively, putting your vehicle's components at risk. While your owner's manual provides maintenance schedules, these are often minimum recommendations based on normal driving conditions. Factors like heavy towing, extreme temperatures, stop-and-go city driving, or off-roading can accelerate fluid degradation, meaning your vehicle might benefit from flushes sooner than the manual suggests. It's always wise to consider your personal driving habits. When it comes to performing these flushes, some are more accessible for the seasoned DIYer, like brake fluid or coolant. However, for transmission or power steering flushes, special equipment is often required to ensure a complete and proper flush without introducing air or contaminants. For most drivers, trusting a qualified mechanic for these more complex procedures is the safest and most effective option. Considering the cost of a fluid flush versus the potential repair bill for a failed transmission, engine, or power steering pump, the preventive maintenance cost is incredibly small. A transmission rebuild alone can cost thousands of dollars, far outweighing the cost of regular fluid flushes. Think of it as an insurance policy for your vehicle's most expensive parts. How do you know if you need a flush? Look out for warning signs. A spongy brake pedal could mean contaminated brake fluid. Hard or delayed shifts might point to old transmission fluid. Overheating or a sweet smell from under the hood can indicate cooling system issues. Noises when turning the steering wheel could signal power steering fluid problems. Don't ignore these clues. Ultimately, a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance, extending beyond just oil changes, is the key to optimal performance, reliability, and longevity for your car. Consult your owner's manual, consider your driving style, and speak with a trusted mechanic about the recommended fluid flush schedule for your specific vehicle. Your car, and your wallet, will thank you for it.